Instagram, Facebook. I thought I'd give you a quick look about the newest product I'm using, this Gum Detoxify. I guess I went to the, and I had used Listerine Total Care. I was trying to use the old school one, and I guess it wasn't giving me the proper protein. So now I switched back over using that. So I still have all these products, because when I was younger I had gum surgery. Also, I had braces, so they're all, every time I go to the dentist, make sure you keep your teeth this clean, that thing, something bad may happen. So, okay. So now, dentist, I've been doing this for like 35 years going to the dentist. Technique has changed some. You have the water pick, you got a rotodent, you got the proxy brush. What else do you have? You have to ask for whiteners. Before, you had to spend $150, $200 to do the whiteners. You got a Total Care for the gingivitis. I still have the old one here. This is the prog one. So, if you really want to keep your teeth clean, I recommend use the Gum Detoxify. I'll find out this Tuesday how good it is. Then after that, get the rotodent, because I do have the regular toothbrush, but after you really get lazy and you just get the rotodent, trust me. The water pick, that kind of helps get rid of the stuff that's hidden. Then I always use the whitener late at night. Sometimes when I get up and come to the restroom, I use the whiteners, or I use that too, just so you just kind of always keep your mouth constantly clean. That's basically what I do. I think that's why I've been able to hold on to the bones so long. I have like the, at night, I just, every so often hit it with that, hit it with that. It's so cheap now. Even in the old days, you used to call like $10 or $11. Now I went to Target, you got this for $8.99. So keep your teeth clean. Like, the one thing I do hate is going to the dentist after I've gone to a cleaning. I can hear the same song and dance. And I have a feeling this week I may get a needle because they want to do a minor procedure. But you got to do it, man. I looked at some of the registries. And it had people like 66, 67 going to the teeth, man. You got to do it, man. You're living longer. Unless you're like, what's that? Unless like the Criminal Minds, the guy bites off his mom's face. But she looked good. She's older. Sitter. I was like, I hate that, bro. I'll tell you later about my adventure, an older man adventure with the young girl. She's like, got rid of a boyfriend. Now we're going out. Talk about that later. But remember, keep those teeth clean. Products I use: Listerine, Crest, the Proxy brush. Subscribe. Let me know if you want to know what else I have planned. This week I only went for the cleaning, and also I did like the laser and the fluoride. Going back again this Tuesday. I'll let you know what Dr. Mao has to say. Are we going to do another procedure, or is he going to let me keep doing what I'm doing? But subscribe. I have a newsletter that's coming out too. It's free for the first couple of paragraphs. Then you want to go in more detail, then you can talk to me and I'll take you on a journey. You can come to me with the dentist and watch him do me up. Now that I'll pay you for. I charge you for that. But hey, subscribe. Let me give you some tips for you guys. Remember, go to the dentist. I know you don't want to go. You have to go, man. Otherwise you're gonna look like a crack addict.